Hi guys, I want to show you how I created Dreams of Ice. Not the whole video, but I just want to show you the steps that I take to create a storytelling video that I uploaded to YouTube called Dreams of Ice. So the first thing you have to do, but as you can see, I have so many images because I prompt and save so much stuff. But the first thing I have to do is come out of this and I need to go to ChatGPT. Okay, I already did create an image, but I'll show you how I created the image. Okay, so you're going to go to the left side. Now, this program that I'm using, ChatGPT-4 Plus, is the paid program. It's $20 a month. So I'm going to click right here where it says Explore GPTs. So let's click it. And as you can see, there's a bar here. So you're going to click on that. And when you click it, sometimes this will pop up, and we want consistent character GPT, fast and high quality. So let's click that. Of course, you're going to click Start Chat. There you go. And then it tells you here your creative partner for generating characters in different poses, expressions, and scenes. So it says no prompt needed, just start with click here and follow the steps. So it's going to guide us how to use ChatGPT, right? How to use consistent character. So click on this and it's asking me, should the character be a male or female? I'm going to say female. I'm going to show you how I created Shayna for Dreams of Ice. So she's a female. Click the arrow. Now it's asking me, please provide a name for the person or the character, and her name is Shayna. So I'm going to type her name in, click the arrow. Okay, so now it says, could you share details about the character such as the age, country, hair, outfit, and etc. So I'm going to say Shayna is a 15-year-old Black American teenager, right? Boom. Got her age and got her country. She's American, right? So now it's asking her hair. We say her hair is long, brown, and wavy, right? That's the description of her hair. Then it's asking for her outfit. Let's just say she wears, let's just say, a white sweater, right? With a dark blue denim skirt. Sorry. Brain fog, right? And then I'm going to say she has on white tights and white leather boots. Okay? You can get more detail, but sometimes the more details you give, sometimes it doesn't always work. So you just got to keep playing with it. And I want her to have gold earrings. So I'm going to say she has on gold hoop earrings. Okay? So I gave her full description, and at the end of my prompt, I always put 16.9 ratio. And now I'm going to generate it because I love the full screen because I always upload videos to YouTube. So let's click on the arrow. I hope I'm not forgetting something. Click on the arrow and let's see how they create Shayna. I forgot to put her skin tone. So let's see what happens. Let's see, because I did say Black American, but I didn't put her skin tone. I was supposed to put brown skin. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, they made her look, they made her black. Because sometimes when I don't put the skin tone, like, either you put brown skin, light skin, whatever, you know. And sometimes when you don't put that in there, it will give you a character of a different race. Okay, so this is what Shayna's looking like, and I can download her, right? So once she's downloaded, right, I'll go here to my downloads and I'll hit the refresh button. And so I can click on the new image I just downloaded. So now I need to use my snipping tool to save her. So I click on this little plus. See, I already did it. I was messing up. And I'm going to highlight it so I can save this image. And then they gave her some thigh-high tights. And right click. No, go to snipping tool and right click. Save as. So I'm going to save it as a JPEG. I'm going to save it in pictures. I'm going to give her her name, which her name is Shayna. And we up to picture 3. I think it was 359. Okay, so now it's going to be 360. So I have a ton of images that I saved of Shayna. So let's save it. So being that it's just a plain background, I'm going to go to the remove program that I use. So let's go to remove background, click the plus, right? Get Shayna's picture, right? Because it's in the pictures folder. So highlight it and click open. And it's going to remove that background. The reason why I want to remove the background, because I want to put her in a different background. I don't just want her to be in just a plain background. So I'm going to hit download HD. This is the program that I pay for, which is $39 a month, right? You can cancel anytime you want. When you pay $39, they give you 200 credits, which I need. So let's download it for high definition photo, so the quality is good, right? So once I do that, I go back to my Power Director program, which is here. And then I go to this little box and I click on import media. You're going to click import media files. And there's the download. So as you can see, I did several. I'll do this one now. Let's highlight it and click open. Let's put Shayna in the timeline, and let's just give her a backdrop, whatever backdrop you want. I have so many here. So let's just put her in this backdrop right here, as you can see. So let's click it open, make it big. And now she's in the park scene. So this is how I created Dreams of Ice. I had to constantly keep removing the background and putting them in different images. Sometimes a consistent character will put them in a nice background, but you have to prompt and say that. I can try to show you that, see if it would allow me to do that. So let's see. Let's see if I can go back to ChatGPT. Let's see if I can put her in the background in here. So in order to do that, you need to click the photo, click that circle with that exclamation mark, right? Click it. And you're going to click copy, right? Click copy. Then you're going to close it out, come down. I'm not going to worry about the next expression. I'm going to say create Shayna at the supermarket. And let's just see if it'll do that. So I said create Shayna at the supermarket. Now remember when I copy the image, because I want to keep this consistent image. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So let's paste it, right? Because I want her to have on the same clothes. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. So I don't want her to be in this pastel blue background. So let's just remove where it says creative front view, medium shot, right? Image of Shayna with a pastel blue background. I don't want that. I want to see if it'll put her in the supermarket. So I said create Shayna at the supermarket. So at the end of my prompt, I always put 16.9 ratio. And then let's click the arrow and let's just see if it will put her like she's at the park. Believe me, sometimes you just have to keep playing with it to get what you want. You do. And it's good to have these other programs that can help you place your characters wherever you want them to be. But this is how I created Dreams of Ice, by using ChatGPT. As you can see, it put her where? In the supermarket. All right. So you can see it. Let's open it bigger. And yeah, she's at a supermarket. But as you can see, the supermarket looks a little, it's blurry in the background. I don't know why it's like that, but it is. But these are the things that you can do. If I don't like this image, not the image, I don't like the background, I can always remove her from the plain background, and I can go find my own supermarket background. Okay. I use ChatGPT. I use consistent characters. I use another program called Leonardo AI. I use this when I wanted to make my characters in motion. So like I went here and I clicked this arrow, right? This is another paid program. I paid $12. You can pay $12 a month. So I could click on motion. You want to select the image you want to motion. So I already did some here, as you can see. But let's just go get an image that I recently created of Shayna. Not this one. Well, I could, but I want one where she has a backdrop. So let's go to the pictures. And let's just put Shayna. And let me scroll down and let me find one with her with a backdrop. Like this, right? It could be this one. I'll open that Christmas one up. And now when you're using the motion, you can have it on 1 or 2. Let's try, but it always generates 25 tokens from you. So let's just use it and see what happens. And then it says view generation. So you have to click on it. Okay, so it's generating. So as it generates, as you can see, I keep constantly losing tokens. When you pay the $12, you get 8,500 tokens. I did waste some. I wasted some already. That's okay, because this is the only way I'm going to be able to discover how to use all these different programs. So, and I also use Canva, you know. So it's a lot that goes into it to create these videos, like I did of Dreams of Ice. If you didn't see it, please go and check it out. So here she goes. So as you can see what it did with her eye. So I can download it. But I really don't like that too much, so you don't have to use that. But I did use it throughout Dreams of Ice. Okay, so I can close that out and we can go back here to here, right? And I'll go back to ChatGPT. So it did put her in a supermarket, and also says, what's the next different variation variable that should be applied in the image? I don't know. You can probably say, I'll highlight this because I already made a prompt of her being in the supermarket. I'll highlight it, then I'll hit copy. And I'll hit paste, right? So I'm saying she's at the supermarket. Maybe I could say, create, if it'll work. Sometimes it doesn't work. Create Shayna picking up a box of Frosted Flakes cereal. Am I spelling it right? Yes, cereal, right? And let's just see what happens. Let's see if it will create that other image. And then I'm going to end the video here. But it's more steps to how I created Dreams of Ice. But just giving you a little touch of what I did because it's a lot of details. So many, you know. But this is how a lot of these channels are creating these beautiful African folklore storytelling videos that you're seeing. This is how they're doing it. They're using these type of programs, okay? There's many, well, I won't say many, but there's several programs that people are using to create these stories, okay? All right, so it didn't show her picking up the cereal, but it showed her near the cereal aisle. Okay, let's open it. So this is what consistent characters will do for you. Okay, so I mean, I told them to put her cereal in her hand, right? She's supposed to be grabbing it, but it didn't do it. But this is still good enough. It's cool. You see how you can have so much fun and play up with this. But I'm going to end this video here. I thank you so much for watching. I will leave a link of Dreams of Ice in the box below of this video. I will see you next time. Bye for now.